Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this video on a pre-owned Atlas horizontal shaper, model 7B, serial number 002492, our stock number 9608. What we have here, folks, is an Atlas horizontal shaper. It'll go from 0 to 7 inches on the adjustable stroke, and it's a true, awesome, American-made piece of history. And believe it or not, it runs as good as it looks. Go ahead, Frankie, let's run it through some speeds. From a small mold shop, R&D shop,
there you go, feed.
Gunsmith. Oh, that's cool. What a versatile little machine.
That's cool.
You'll see that Frankie's stroking the table back and forth in a horizontal fashion. It has 9.5 inches of travel left and right. The head cutting speeds, there's 4 of them on the actual ram, ranging from 42, 75, 120 to 195 strokes per minute. It's a single-phase motor, 110 volt, plug and play. Put it into action and let it go. The approximate weight on this machine is about 500, maybe 600 pounds. We're going to give it a quick walk around. Show you some of the additional features. Showing the pulley and the motor. Here, let me pop the camera off the tripod.
Okay.
That way we can get into the nitty-gritty here. Thank you. What an American classic. Again, we've got a model 7B Atlas shaper. Here's the nuts and bolts on the inside of it. This cover goes on top of it. Here's the tag. It's a little bit dark back here. What that says basically is Atlas 7B with the serial number. Believe it or not, back in the day, South Bend and Atlas were very similar in nature. I have a suspicion that this has something to do with the manufacturer of Atlas manufacturing it for South Bend, and Atlas manufacturing these for themselves. Here's the classic Atlas tag. You can see on the tool slide here is graduated. It'll rotate. Your max height from the top of the table to the bottom of the tool slide is approximately 5.5, maybe 6 inches. So the table goes up and down. Table goes left and right. The head swivels left and right. And that's about all there is to show you on this machine. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this Atlas 7B mechanical shaper. If you want a quote or any additional photos, please feel free to inquire. Machinery Consultants at 801-531-9500. I'd also like to point out that we have a book that goes with the machine. I'm going to open up 1 or 2 pages in that manual and show them how killer that book is. It's a full instructional manual, has the parts and exploded view and operations. Beautiful. What a classic. As well as the fact that we're at www.machineryconsultants.com. So Machinery Consultants in Utah, thanks again. Have a great day. Let us know if you want to buy this bad boy.